I'm an Apple fanboy. Hello YouTube, my name is Captain Darren and my call sign is N4VFR. Today's video I'll be talking about two headsets. The Bose Quiet Comfort 35 II and the AirPods Max. Can they be used for amateur radio? Let's talk about the pros on the AirPods Max. It has adjustable headbands and it swivels just like that. So you put it on your head and then you adjust it by pushing the headband down to the top of your head. So just like that. On the top of the headband there's a wire mesh material. It's also concaved, so the top of the headband rests on top of your head. It distributes the weight evenly. Number 2, it has the best superior active noise cancellation on the market. There's a button on top right here, so that button activates the noise cancellation, and if you push it again it activates the transparency mode. The transparency mode basically allows some of the sound outside the environment into your headset. So when you're talking you actually can hear yourself talk as if you're not wearing a headset. Number 3, they're available in five different colors. The color I have here is the space gray. It also comes with colors of silver, sky blue, pink, and green, if that floats your boat. So those colors, you can actually change the headband or you can change the ear cup, just like that. So this is held together by magnets. Number 4. These battery life on these headsets, when you use them, they last up to 20 hours. Alright, now it's time for the cons. Number 1, there is no on and off power on the AirPods Max. Yes, it lasts for 20 hours, but what if you want to store it? You have this little soft case that you put your AirPods Max in, alright, and it's held by a magnet like this. It's supposed to click down just like that, okay? So while it's in its state, this puts the AirPods Max in the ultra low power saving state. Like I said, there's no on and off button, so you can store this for a week and you may or may not have any charge. I haven't really tested that yet, and I don't plan on to. Number 2, or it could be number 1, this bad boy AirPods Max, my God, this thing is $550 when it was first released in December of 2020. Now if you would search on Amazon, the prices on now are $473, so that's a lot of money. Number 3, if you're going to connect this headset to your HF transceiver, you would need to buy a 3.5mm plug from Apple. And if you dare to buy from eBay or Amazon that's not Apple, you have a risk of not working. You have a risk of you're taking that it may not work. So go ahead and buy the Apple product audio cable. and it costs $35. Number 4. These weigh almost 1 pound on your head, and actually it weighs 0.84 pounds. Now for the Bose Quiet Comfort 35II. These are what I use when I travel in the cabin. Not when I'm working a flight, but when I'm actually traveling as a passenger. Alright, now for the pros. With regard to weight, number 1, these are very, very light, and it weighs only 0.52 pounds, only half a pound. So when you put it on your head, it's lighter than the AirPods Max, and it feels really, really good. Number 2, it does come with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you can plug it in your Bose headset just like that, and take the 3.5 millimeter and plug that into your radio. What I like about this too is it's labeled right and it's labeled left. So while I'm working on the station or on the radio, I like my cord to be on the left side. Now if you're using the AirPods Max, the cord is on the right side, so it actually gets in my way when you're trying to work on ham radio. Pro number 3. It has a case that you can store your Bose QC35 in. So what you do, you take your headset off and you do a quick twist, bend like that, and it goes right into the case just like this. Zip it right up. Okay, let's compare the two really quick on the size. Okay, you have the Bose QC35 and you have the AirPods Max. That's the size difference. When you're going to store it in your backpack or your luggage, I prefer this. Your miles may vary. Pro number 4. The Bose QC35II, which is what I have here, the battery life is 20 hours. Just like the AirPods Max, the same, 20 hours. And now for the Con. Con number 1 and only 1 on the Bose QC35. If you look closely, you can see the wear on the ear pads. These are my favorite. They're lightweight, they last a long time, easy to store. So to replace these ear pads, it only costs $17. So I've had this for like 3 years and I haven't changed the pads, the ear pads yet, and I already have them. I ordered it through Amazon and it's ready to be put on, but I'm not going to put it on yet until they actually tear it. It still seals real well and provides active noise cancellation. Now let's take a look and see how it works for a ham radio.
Hotel Papa Delta, how are you? Is it over? Yeah, for the well, good thing you copy me okay right now. My God, a lot of noise down here now. Right now my noise level is up to about F9, so you're barely making it above my noise level right now. you take care and good luck. And for BMR, this is Kilo 5 Hotel Papa Delta 783. And for BMR K5 HPD, go ahead. Oh, it sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good over here, Darren, over. Alright, Darren, you take care. Congratulations, that's working really good. So, what can I say? Anyway, 73 to you, and we'll catch you again sometime. Hopefully, my noise level will drop over here somehow. It's really getting to that point. It's so annoying over here. So I don't know what else I can do, but I may have to locate what's causing all this noise. So if it's something local or something that's just sounding. Anyway, good evening to you, and again, congratulations. And we'll catch you. This is Kilo 5 and Papa.
Here's my final thoughts, my conclusion. This AirPod Max, it's very good. Don't get me wrong, it's very good. It's very pricey. My only complaint, if I'm going to use it for ham radio, is the weight. I can feel it on my head compared to the Bose QC35. This is a very good headset as well. Lightweight. The headband has a foam cushion, so it rests well on my head. It's also adjustable, just like the AirPods Max. But in my opinion, I would rather use the Bose QC35II for amateur radio use in my Radio Shack. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, please consider to subscribe to my channel. It helps motivate me to make more videos, and also the algorithm with the YouTube, it helps me when people are searching for ham radio stuff. I'm like on the top of the search list, so it does help out a little bit. And give me a like, and also leave me a comment on what do you use. Do you use a headset when you're talking on HF radios, or do you use the external speaker? Let me move the mic out of the way. The external speaker that comes with your radio. My name is Captain Darren. My call sign is N4VFR. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day.